Fujifilm cameras are really hard to find nowadays, out of stock, back ordered, or highly marked up in the used market. Many photographers have been looking to the Ricoh GR III and the GR3X as an alternative to the Fujifilm cameras because of their small size, APS-C sensors, and fixed lenses. But they don't have the beautiful colors and film simulations like Fujifilm though, right? Well, what many people don't realize is that Ricoh cameras also have built-in JPEG film simulations that they're not exactly the same, but they're pretty damn good. So in this video, I wanted to put you to the test. Can the trained eye of a photographer distinguish between Ricoh JPEG shot with the negative film simulation versus Fujifilm JPEG shot with classic chrome? In this video, we're going to find out. So get out a pen and paper or open up the Notes app on your phone and number it from 1 to 24. From there, I'm going to show you 24 photos, 12 shot in JPEG with the Ricoh GR III using my own negative film simulation recipe, and 12 shot in JPEG taken with the Fujifilm X-T5 and the 18mm f1.4, stopped down to the same aperture to keep the composition as close as possible using my own classic chrome film simulation recipe. It's your job to guess whether each photo is taken with the Ricoh or with the Fujifilm. Then I'm going to reveal the answers so you can tally up the results. Ready? Let's go. Before I reveal the answers on this video, I want to let you know that I also made a companion blog post linked down in the description below for those who want to inspect the photos in higher resolution and take their time to really compare the colors, the sharpness, the dynamic range, and other image quality characteristics of the Fujifilm JPEGs in comparison to the Ricoh JPEGs. Which takes me to today's video sponsor, Squarespace. As a content creator, Squarespace is a great tool for creating companion content with my YouTube videos. With Squarespace blogs, I'm able to post high resolution images taken with the gear that I'm comparing head to head, so I can provide you all with samples that don't really suffer from YouTube's compression. This helps you make better and more informed creative decisions. And even if you're not a content creator like me, Squarespace is just a great platform for showcasing your work online and connecting with like-minded individuals, so you can create a professional looking online portfolio, organize your photos into galleries, and use the blog feature to share your recent work and behind the scenes details, all without having to be at the mercy of a social media algorithm. Squarespace can help you to create a website that reflects your unique vision and really serves as a platform for you to document and share your journey and continue to improve your skills as a photographer. When you're ready, go to squarespace.com/RegieBallesteros to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So what did you think of the results? Tally everything up and share how many you got right down in the comments below. For me, it's kind of complicated. I own both the Ricoh and the Fujifilm cameras, and I don't really have any plan on selling either of them, as I use them for different purposes based on different shooting situations, and that discussion is for another video. If you want me to share my custom Ricoh film simulation recipes as shown in this video, please let me know down in the comments. And if you want to use my go-to film simulation recipe for Fujifilm, check out these two videos here for all those settings.